Hello friends, in this quick video we will learn how to convert a PDF file into a Docx file or Word document. So PDF files, you can get them from a variety of reasons, and if you want to quickly convert them into Word document, the simplest workflow in my view is to take your PDF file and drag and drop into your Google folder. Just go to Google Drives and upload your file over here. Let's do it one more time, and here is the file. And then what you can do is you can click on the PDF file and then click on this open with Google Docs. So now you have converted PDF file into a Google Doc file, and from Google Doc you can now say, hey, download this as a Microsoft Word document. And finally you have successfully converted what we were trying to do. A PDF file is now into a Docx file, and here is the Docx open into Word. This workflow I'm showing on the Mac, but it can be done on Windows as well. Alright friends, so again it's a three-step process. You upload PDF to Google Drive, you open PDF with Google Docs, you export Google Docs to Word, and then you download Word document. Okay, thank you, and hope you had some fun with this cool tips and tricks.